Guys, welcome to oh Jesus Christ, Jake oh what's further? Pi Pixel, yeah. Today we're trying to do some Bed Wars and fun. I thought I tried a little video solo, but it was like, okay, you place TNT, you're on his bed, you destroy it, but when you destroy it, even though he's on your side, he can still hit you with a sword. I found hacks. I was quite sad. And, oh, you blend in, genius. Genius, wait. Oh, wood inside. Double genius. Hello, Gandalf. Or somebody with a black belt. Wow. Oh, that looks fabulous. Alex, this team. Well, even though it's 1v1, but she won't know. She's Alex. Okay. I don't really like rushing to diamond because it's not good. Okay, don't judge me why I don't like rushing to diamond, because everybody's gonna go to it. It is gonna die, and you build a bridge to your base, and you're just like dead. Okay, what equals protection to my lovely bed named Jeffrey. Jeffrey is pretty good, I must say. I have. Okay, I have. Oh, neighbor Cyan is not really. Yeah, that's my colours. The colours of my channel. Yellow. Yay, Pina Colada is meant to be yellow, and Pina Colada's yellow. So, yay. Okay. Okay. Ender chest. Oh, it's a bit visible. It's quite rude if it's visible. Very rude. Okay, well, I'm gonna get careful eye on Cyan, because they have no bed protection. I shouldn't waste my things for TNT because he has no bed, and that would be quite useful. Okay, what could I get for bed protection? Okay, how much do I have now? Oh, okay, a couple more now. Oh, perfect. It's gonna give me much more protection. Yeet, yeet, yeet. How much do I have now? Okay, not enough. I'm just gonna deposit. Oh, okay, one more thinny, then I can make a thinny inside the thinny. Okay, watch this. Oh! Sorry, I'm not really good at this, okay? I'm good at the game, but not really good at this, okay? Don't judge me. Because I have to click shift, and shift is right near my pinky. It's just really weird how you do it, okay? It's like, I don't know if anybody else has a problem. I need to change the button that allows me to do that. Because it'll be much more better. Oh, wait. Come on. Oh, if I had a bit more, I could have got him. If I just had a bit more blocks, I could have destroyed his bed in a second. When he just died and tried to kill me, I would have been a really happy man. But no, I just have to be a bit stupid. Okay, there we go. Deposits are very good. Hi. Right, green. It's going to be a bit of a challenge because they're going for. Okay. TNT, yeah, TNT because he's got builds, and that would be. I'll just rush in with the TNT. Wrong one. Jesus Christ. Okay, rush in with the TNT. Or okay, I can get two. Save that for green. If green doesn't come to me right now. Okay, green is tempted, you can clearly see. Oh, 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 oh no, oh no, oh no. Even though I got a bed, so he's probably gonna try and get my bed, so I better get something with a bit more strength and... Okay, wait. I got a bed, and that is pretty good. My bed... Okay, I'm gonna use all my iron. What does that mean? Hey you, Cyan! Oh, like a man! Oh. Oh, I need level GAN for this. Cyan! I killed... Oh. Cyan! Cyan! Oh, God. Oh. 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 He had a like little health thing as well. Oh. See, I'm a genius at this game. Genius. Ha! Oh, I can't get any more, God's sake. Right. This is not really good protection, even though it does look like it. It's really not. Okay. I'm going to quickly rush to Cyan, because now they're not in the game, I can easily get this stuff. Oh, Pink's gone. Oh. Oh, Lingardium Levu. So, and he built a bridge for me for the diamonds. Sorry, Alex. I'm going to quickly put this in my end chest. Oh. Gravity T-Rock, come on. Come on. You'll only be here. Oh, actually, I'm not going to wait that long. Oh, 4. That can upgrade my forge. Oh, Lingardium Levu. Sar. He's green. I need to eliminate green. Okay, what can I upgrade with this? Oh, I could have got... Okay, I'll upgrade my pickaxe and armor. So I go into armor, I should get... Okay, I can get that now. I don't have any Emmys. Should I upgrade my forge? Swords, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna get a iron sword with this, and some TNT. I can't switch it in that menu, it's weird. Go. Glass. Yeah, should get some glass. Okay. I'm just going to quickly change my sword and deposit some of the stuff. Took a whole year to drop. Okay, oh, it shows what I purchased for other people to see. Okay, that's fair. Okay, I'm gonna get some. Oh wait, no, try to get from it. Did I remove it? Oh no. Oh, 40, I can get that. I can fix that. Oh. He did the same to me. What? Oh. That almost destroyed my bed, but it saved my life. Saved my bed. Oh. Oh, Leviosa. You saw nothing. Leviosa. This is crazy building here. This is absolutely crazy. It was green. Oh, green was so sneaky. I'm going to show green a little lesson. Don't mess with me. Cheers, green. Oh, I don't care if I die. Your bed's gone. Your bed's gone. It's gone. I got 2 people. 2 people. Ha, I am a genius. Whoa! Okay. He's probably going to rush to me for anger. Yeah, I'll see you there, mate. Okay, right. Okay. I feel sorry for you, mate, but... Wait, is Green... Okay, Green's still here. I'm gonna rush... Okay, he actually got the diet. He's invisible! He's invisible! Ha, mate. Ha ha ha. Okay, now he's dead. I'm alive. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so now... We haven't got any of this lovely best of the best protection. We don't need it. So, I'm gonna rush to... Yeah, I can't speak English today. Okay, I'm gonna... He's probably gone to the middle a lot of times, so I'm gonna get so much TNT. 3 bits of TNT. That sword. That... Oh, I need a bit more. Okay, now... Bam, bam. Let's go. I should protect my bed a bit more, but it's fine. Okay, yellow. No, it's red. I'm yellow. I'm an idiot. Okay. Blue. That's cyan, not blue. Okay. Oh, and garden living sour. If I survive, I can get that. I hope he eliminates green for me, then I can just kill him. Because that would be pretty damn fancy. Some chop then. Okay. Ready to go. Oh, Emmys. Oh. One Emmy. Oh! Red. Okay. Red? He probably does see me. Right. It's me and him. Oh! I can win this. I am the I killed 3 people. Okay, I don't want to tell a lie. I'm just gonna think. Did I kill? Yes, I did. Actually, I did. Yeah, I did kill 3. Green, mate, are you proud of me? I've got to kill your bed, but are you proud of me? Oh, gee, did you knock me down? Oh, mate, he can't. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Oh, my heart's pounding. Oh. Little boy doesn't know. I'm high enough so he can't hit me. Mate, I'm sorry. Texture's not really that fancy anymore. Did I win? Oh, won. Oh! I don't care. I killed him. One more guy. Okay, I'm a genius at this game. Okay, I'm gonna get me some good loot to kill this last Mexican. Oh, well. I have a lot of stuff to kill him with. Okay, oh. Oh, ho, ho. Ha ha! Armor. I don't have enough. Okay, you know what? Let's just rush at him. Okay, he may have better armor, but he only has 1 life left, so that's really good. He's going to die by me. He's going to taste defeat. 1. I only got like there's a limit time I have on my videos here. Oh, actually it's just 1 minute. Oh god, gotta win this. I gotta win this. Let's say, if you see this video, that means I won this. I won't post it if I don't win. It's probably gonna count. So you know, I am a champion. Okay. Now he doesn't know. Fortnite epic building right here. Fortnite epic building right here. Oh. What's happened? What's happened? He hacked me. Guys, you can all see this. He's hacking me. Something is wrong.